Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Grubhub for restaurant orders, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Grubhub for restaurant orders, start by opening your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, go to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Grubhub for restaurants. Once you find the app, tap on it to view the details. Next, click the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once the installation is complete, locate the Grubhub for Restaurants app on your device. Tap on the app icon to open it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. To get started, select Sign Up if you're a new user. If you already have an account, tap Login. For new users, this typically includes your restaurant name, email address, and phone number. Once you've entered your details, click Submit. After creating your account, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Grubhub. Open the email and click the verification link. Return to the app after verifying. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Now, you'll need to set up your restaurant profile. Fill in all necessary details like your menu items, pricing, and delivery options. Once complete, save your changes. Navigate to the settings to customize your notification preferences. Set up alerts for new orders and customer messages. After everything is set up, your Grubhub account is ready to accept orders. You can test the system by placing a mock order. Monitor for notifications to ensure everything is working smoothly. Congratulations, you are now set to use Grubhub for your restaurant orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.